In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get real-time market data on interactive brokers. First, you will need to sign into your account, and then you will click on your profile in the top right corner, and you want to go to your settings. Now, from within your interactive broker settings, give it some time to load here, you will see user settings, market data subscriptions. So just select that option. Once you click on market data subscriptions, then you will see all of your available subscriptions which you can use for market data, and you want to click on configure. Select configure and you will choose current market data subscriber status. If you're a professional or non-professional, you will select this. Do you agree that if the subscriber is a non-professional subscriber, he or she shall receive market data solely for his or her personal non-business use? Yes. Do you agree that the subscriber shall notify vendor promptly of any change? If you click on yes, then here you can select continue, go through the prompts, and that is going to give you real-time market data on interactive brokers. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.